Hey y'all, I'm gonna share with you a meal prep tip here for dried beans. I'm using a pressure cooker. This is actually a Wolfgang Puck pressure cooker, one of the newer ones, but you can use another brand that you want to. Make sure you use the newer ones. The newer ones are much safer. They release the pressure for you nice and evenly after the cooking is done. Once the cooking is done, you'll be able to easily open the pressure cooker like that. Mine hasn't started yet, but when it's finished, you'll be able to easily open it like that. And so I put the beans in here already. As you can see, they're dry. I didn't even soak them. I just rinsed them right out of the bag, pop them in here, and I added water to it. You'll use the same ratio for water to beans as you do like if you were actually boiling them on the stove. But the key is I didn't even soak these beans overnight. I just put them in here right out of the bag after rinsing, and it's going to take about 30 minutes. So these are pinto beans, but I'll put that in there. I'll set it. And what I do is I turn my dial to about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is all it really takes for the pressure cooker that I have. A lot of pressure cookers, you can look on the label and it'll give you suggested cook times. But I've noticed that for the amount of beans that I put in this one, about 30 minutes is all it takes. But here's a really good tip. If you want to eat healthy things like beans, for example, you don't have to do them out of the can. You can cook them in the pressure cooker really quickly. You don't even have to soak them overnight. So I'll show you what it looks like as soon as these finish. Okay, so finished product. Took about 30 minutes. Check it out. Beans are all done. They're done. So hold on, let's see if I can go in here. See, all done beans.